Critical library mismatch involving the Isapi module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. As we prepare the manual solution for Isapi module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Isapi module, the Internet Server API, Isapi core. It provides unmanaged routines for extending the functionality of web servers, managing the data link between HTTP requests and localized server-side execution manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Isapi module DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Isapi module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netSSH space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Isapi module DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Isapi module dependencies. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Isapi module working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.